Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Ecom Masterclass, and in this video I'll be going over the best extensions to get started with when you're new to Shopify. So these apps are going to cover a variety of categories, and they're going to be the top 5 apps that you're going to need to get your store set up effectively. Make sure you stay until the end of the video here, as I'll be going each of these apps, why you need them, the UI, their features, and their pricing, as well as their reviews. Before I dive into it, let me mention my very own e-commerce tool called Copywriting Robot. It allows you to use AI to write product descriptions 10 times faster. All you have to do is enter in some basic information for your product, and you can get an SEO optimized description, title tag, and meta description. You can also do this in bulk for all your products on your store. You can do this to get AI generated ad copy as well. So you can turn something like this into an SEO optimized description. And to get access to this, there's a link in the description to sign up today. So let's dive into the first app now. This one's going to be Judge Me Product Reviews. Any Shopify store needs social proof. The best way to do so is to start collecting reviews immediately for your store. Judge.me is one of the most popular review apps here, and it does have a free plan to get you started. So you can display reviews on your site in different ways. You can create your own color schemes here, as well as have photo and video reviews to add more authenticity to your reviews. They're also going to show up in Google's search results under shopping. You can help your products stand out there as well. It also gives you the ability to engage your reviewers so you can thank them for their reviews. In terms of pricing, as mentioned, there is a free forever plan where you get unlimited product review requests, photos and videos, carousel themes, in-email reviews, curated reviews, SEO snippets, and a manual social push. You get all that on the free plan there, and the paid plan is $15 a month, where you get more features such as coupons and custom forms. In terms of reviews, it has over 13,000 5-star reviews and just a perfect 5-star rating here. So an extremely popular app. The next app we're going to take a look at is called Booster. It's a page speed optimizer, so you can optimize your Shopify store in just one click. Speed is extremely important. It's going to help with things such as SEO, but it's also going to help with just overall customer experience. This app uses preloading technology, helping increase your second page load times by up to 3 times. It's going to make the overall experience better for the customer, as they don't have to wait as long for things to load. So it's built for Shopify Fast and their 2.0 themes. You can get going in minutes with just a no-code install here. And you can make your pages feel like they load almost instantly. This app is also completely free, and it has a really good 4.9 star rating with over 1.1 thousand 5-star reviews. Along that lines here, let's take a look at an image optimizer. So one of the slowest parts that are going to load on any e-commerce store are going to be the product images. So using an image optimizer allows you to not only optimize those images without quality loss, so your page is going to be loaded faster by just decreasing the image size and blurring those pixels a little bit in the background. This technology is super cool because the human eye will automatically make up those differences, so the quality does look the same even though the image size is much less. It's also going to add things such as alt tags to your images, as well as give you SEO analysis. And again, there is a completely free plan here where you get lifetime usage and image optimization for 50 products a month. Next, let's take a look at Instant Feed. So InstaFeed lets you create shoppable Instagram feeds on your Shopify store. This is extremely popular with clothing brands and fashion brands. We've looked at several stores on this channel, including the really big fashion brand called Fashion Nova, and they use this quite effectively, where they can show off their styles and reuse that content on their Instagram post where they have a huge following, and they can make these images shoppable. So what that does is going to add certain links to the products in the images, making it really easy for the customer to find those products and then add it to their cart. There is a free plan on this as well, where you get video support, grid or slider layouts, and auto-optimized layout. In terms of reviews here, it has a great 4.9 stars with over 1.1 thousand 5-star reviews. So let's take a look at the last app here. That's going to be Automizely SMS Marketing. It allows you to set up no-code SMS remarketing campaigns to help reduce abandoned carts. Text messages are a great way to message customers, as they have an extremely high open rate, much more than something like email, although there are plenty of email apps that I've gone over in other videos, so make sure you check that out to help reduce abandoned carts there as well. So you can auto send these cart recovery messages with auto-generated checkout links to help recover lost sales. It's also going to be TCPA and GDPR compliant, and it's a simple setup and it doesn't require any coding, so you can set the certain triggers as well as customize the message to match your brand here. We also have pre-built templates with cart recovery links to make it super easy to set up. This app is also great because there is a completely free plan here. And in terms of reviews, it has a 4.9 star rating with over 270 5-star reviews. So this is going to conclude the video here on the Getting Started with Shopify extension. I went over several different categories from abandoned carts to product reviews to SEO page optimization and speed boosting. Let me know in the comments what you think of these apps and if there's any additional ones you think that should have been included. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment as well. I want to mention Copywriting Robot one more time. There's a link in the description to sign up below so you can use AI to write your product descriptions 10 times faster. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.